they say an actress truly arrives when she has a Surat Barjatia picture in her hands. And for those of you who are living under a rock, you don't know, Soumya Tandon is now in Ye Prem Molya, which is Rajshree's next big film. And Surat Barjatia directs. It has Ayushmann Khurrana, it has Sharvari Wagh, and it has the wonderful Soumya in there. Let's start by talking about Surajji. I mean, he's just such a wonderful gentleman. The word gentleman was made for him. He's extremely gentle. He's extremely soft-spoken.
It's unbelievable.
Isn't that such a wonderful quality in a day and age where everybody's just hustling and everybody's aggressive and so beautiful?
I just couldn't believe it that this kind of a person exists in our industry, which is so loud. Everybody is blowing their own trumpets, and we are loud and we are pushing and shoving and making our presence felt. And here comes a man who is so comfortable in his skin, whether he has his own universe which he believes in. He just believes in that kind of storytelling. He believes in that kind of family. He believes in that love where when two people fall in love and they come together, it's not just two people, but it's two families. And he believes in it. Whether you connect with it or you don't connect with him, he has a beautiful universe. And that is exactly what I feel that, in this day and age, and this is my belief, that in this day and age of AI, when everything is becoming, like a replica of a replica of a replica of a replica, what stands out is your own unique voice. That is what I really like about that man as a cinema person. Apart, of course, from the fact that personally he is absolutely an angel. But what I like about him is that he has a unique voice. And I genuinely feel so grateful and blessed to be working with him. I do not know what is as an actor and as an artist, I don't know, and I don't play any role in deciding what is going to be the fate of the project. But I'm so truly grateful for that whole experience that I've had with him in this entire journey of filming for him. He's a gem. My journey in this industry wouldn't be complete if I had not worked with him.
94.3 Radio 1.